Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This cruiser style motorcycle has just a little over 27,000 miles on it, but is in excellent condition. Have found a couple of little imperfections on it, which I'll show you when we go around, but I'll show you all the nice highlights that are on it too. So let's take our walk and then we'll fire it up. It comes with a quick release two-tone windscreen. The front tire is in excellent condition. It's got plenty of miles left on that. It's got footboards for the driver with attached highway pegs. It's got blind spot mirrors, throttle lock, soft side saddlebags, passenger backrest and luggage rack. We will be putting a new rear tire on this bike. And again, blind spot mirror. Footboard for the driver with the heel toe shifter setup, along with the highway peg on it again. So the couple things I've found, we've got some kind of discoloring here on the fork tubes, and a little rub spot right here. Tells me they must have had a tool pouch on it at one time that rubbed on the front fender. And then the other thing I found is a little scratch right here on the front fender. I can kind of see it. But that's really all I found on this bike. So otherwise everything else seems to be in really good shape. And show you the miles now. 27,018 is what's on it. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's got an LED light kit on it too underneath there. It's like Christmas. They keep finding all these new things. This Vulcan 900 Classic will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.